Welcome to our showcase of the fully assembled walnut bamboo luggage rack designed for guest rooms and hotels. This 26.75-inch folding suitcase stand features a removable laundry bag and a convenient storage shelf for extra space. Crafted from smooth natural bamboo, it adds style while handling up to 215 pounds with heavy-duty nylon straps. The rack includes rubber pads on its legs to protect your floors and keep it stable. Its foldable design allows easy storage in closets or under beds when not in use. Guests will appreciate the dedicated space to keep their belongings organized and off the floor. Plus, the versatile laundry hamper doubles as a cubby for shoes, towels, and more. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.